Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn how we can add HTML tag in JavaScript. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.html file, and in this file I have h1 tag, and in this tag I write a text, HTML tag in JavaScript. In browser you can see I have only one output HTML tag in JavaScript. In head tag I place a script tag, and in this script tag I write JavaScript code. Here, first I write document.write method, and in this method I write a text, hello world. In browser you can see I get output successfully. Now, I want to make this text bold, for that I use HTML strong tag, in document.write method. In browser you can see our text will be bold. Now, I want to make text italic, for that I use HTML tag. In browser you can see our text change into italic style. Now, I want to make this hello world line into heading, so I use h2 tag here. Now, you can see our text will convert into h2 heading. Now, I write another document.write method, and in this method I write some text. In browser you can see I get a output go to this website. Now I want to convert this line into link, for that I use anchor tag in document.write method. Keep in mind, don't use double quote in a double quote, it's given error. Use single quote in double quote. In browser you can see our text convert into link. In ref tag you can pass your destination website link, which one you want to visit. Now, we discuss why we can use HTML tag in JavaScript. So first is dynamic content generation. JavaScript is often used to create dynamic web pages that respond to user interactions or display data from a server. To achieve this, you need the ability to create and insert HTML elements into the page as needed. Next is interactivity. JavaScript allows you to respond to user events, example, button clicks, by adding or removing HTML elements to update the user interface in real time. This is commonly used in web applications to provide a rich and interactive user experience. Next is template rendering. Many web applications use JavaScript frameworks or libraries, example, React, Angular, Vue, to create reusable components that generate HTML content. These frameworks use JavaScript to manage the rendering of HTML elements efficiently. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.